Hello everybody, my name is David, I'm from Igualada, and I create a song of the whole pandemic that we lived in 2020, these last 3 years, and it's a song to say that these situations never will happen again. You try to walk but you cannot, you try to escape but you cannot. No way to escape, dancing in the house. The world is crazy, society is breaking. I cannot stand this situation. I'm losing control. I prefer to live in the past. I would like to break the rules. I cannot stay with my family. Sorry, but no friends. Food is my best friend. I can't see an end. Walking in the garden, imagine that you are in Rome. I would like to go out, but I need to stay home. If you break the rules, you will pay the consequences. Thank you for listening to my song. If you like, put likes and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.